Hi everybody, welcome to our fifth and final video on putting together Tandy's Bison mailbag. I've gone ahead and cut the recommended length of thread, and I'm going to use the traditional two needle method of saddle stitching this together. In the instructions they show you how to do it with one needle and go down all the way and come back. Either way works. Now there's some important things to understand here. I've tied the front pieces together. And let me show you this because it's not clear in part 10 of the instructions. You will notice I've put the tie together on either side of the dart and I've left a hole in the middle because the butt joint is a hole location. This is not clear to me in step 10 of the instructions, and in fact, I think the instructions are wrong. The same thing applies to the gusset. Here's the gusset. And the butt joint is actually a hole location. Now that might be obvious to you, but it wasn't obvious to me, and this is the third time I'm doing this bag, and it's a lot easier now than it was the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch down to these different points and show you, and then we'll continue with putting the bag together. All right, guys, I'm sitting in my comfy Lazy Boy stitching. Let's look at that first gusset. Notice that the joint is a hole location on the front panel assembly. Okay? All right, we're here at that first dart. Okay, and notice that the joint is a hole location on the gusset. So I'm going to go ahead and finish sewing up the front, and then we'll get to the sewing of the back. All right, guys, I've finished sewing the gusset to the front panel assemblies. There's my darts. Okay? So keep in mind the little tricks I showed you. Now I'm going to turn over the bag and show you how I start on the back side. Okay, I've cut the recommended length of thread. I've tied the interior pocket to the back panel, and remember, you're starting on the fifth hole. Okay, and I've decided that I'm going to put the interior panel on the interior. You could put it on the exterior if you want, but if you're going to do that, you would want to go ahead and put some sort of snap or closure now. So here I've started sewing, and I've picked up the panel on the fifth hole. I'm going to finish sewing this up, and then I'm going to show you guys what the bag looks like and flip it in, or outside in, or flip it the right way out. Hi everybody. Well, this is part 5, assembling Tandy's Bison mailbag. We've sewed it up. I've finished sewing the back. And now we're going to gently turn it inside out. And there you have it. Tandy's Bison mailbag. Attach the shoulder strap. So let's review, guys. We varied a little bit from the stock instructions. We turned some of the rivets inside out so we could see the burrs. I'll say it now, like I said at the beginning, this is a great kit. This is the third one I've put together. The only thing that's lacking are the instructions a little bit. If you found this interesting, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more videos on interesting topics in leatherwork. Thanks. See you soon.